Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft video. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can install mod packs or texture pack to your Minecraft and add them to use them in your game. What the texture pack basically does is it adds more reality, like it changes the game itself. It doesn't change like the mechanics of the game or anything else. It just change like the block texture and like basically how your game will look like. It is not a shader, so there's a it will not look like really realistic, but it will change the blocks texture and items stuff. So how can you really download this mode or these packs? You can just go ahead and close your just tab out of your game, open your browser, and then right here Minecraft mod texture pack for whatever version you have. For example, I'm using the 1.19.2, so I'm going here and choose something from here. Include, and let's look for something in here. For example, I find this looks kind of interesting. I'm going to choose this. So from here I'm going to pick it and go down. Let's search for the download. Okay, here, and now from here you can download it, and let's wait a couple seconds, like so. And now we can go to options, resource packs. It will be laggy for you. Now open pack folder, and after that you drag this file to your folder. So I'm going to drag it just like so, show in folder, and I will put it in there. Just give me a couple seconds, just like so. Okay, that will work. Now if we go back, here it is, I can see it. And now let's make sure that our game is normal. As you can see, let's make the day let's give us a bed and sleep, so we can have better vision. And now we will add the texture pack, resource pack, add on, done. And now let's see how the game will change. Well, we give it a couple minutes, and please guys, don't use like texture packs that has really high quality blocks, because like only if you have a good PC you can use them, but else don't really download them, because it will not be really good for your PC and it will destroy it. So now as you can see, the game has totally changed. The bed looks really different, the blocks itself, the items also looks different, the armor, even the armor looks really different. If like you press F5, you will be looking so much different. So yeah, that was it, and thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.